morning, children. Welcome back to Class 5, Worksheet 11, English Grammar. Reading. Read this story. The men had rescued the baby elephant as the rain and lightning continued across the forest and beyond. The river had washed her away from the rest of her herd. She was hurt and weak and was in great distress. The men hoped that the herd would come back for her. They stayed away from her, for they knew that if they tried to handle her or feed her, the herd would not take her back. They would smell humans on the baby elephant and abandon her. But when the herd did not return, they knew that they had to help the baby elephant in order to keep her alive. So they brought her large feeding bottles and tried to feed her. It was not easy. The first 3 nights, the baby elephant hardly ate or slept. She was restless and the men tried everything to keep her comfortable and to ease her pain. They knew she depended on them to stay alive. Would the baby elephant live? The men did not know for sure, but they were determined to try their best to save her. In great distress means suffering from great pain. Abandon, leave someone or something forever. Answer these questions. How was a baby elephant rescued? What had happened to it? The baby elephant was rescued by the people. It was washed away in great distress. Why did the men stay away from the baby elephant? Because the herd would come behind the elephant and the herd would not take her back if they feed her. Did the herd come back for the baby elephant? What did the men do then? No, the men helped the baby elephant. They brought large feeding bottles and tried to feed her. How were the first 3 nights after the rescue, both for the baby elephant and the men? The baby elephant hardly ate or slept. She was restless and the men tried to keep her comfortable and to ease her pain. The men were not sure if the baby elephant would live, yet they did not give up. Why do you think they did not give up? As they knew that the baby elephant was dependent on them, so they were determined to try their best to save her. Choose the correct preposition to complete these sentences. Sheena baked a cake for my birthday. Kamal has been suffering from a terrible toothache. You can open the bottle cap by twisting it in the anti-clockwise direction. I am writing this letter with the pen you gave me. The glasses are still there on the table. Let's hang the clock above the sofa. It rained during the night for 2 hours. The burglar got in through the window. Charlie got upset and walked out of the room. The child hid my shoes under the bed. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are joining words that connect 2 words or phrases or sentences. They help us to connect or join ideas. So some conjunctions are given: and, but, or, so, because, when, if are the conjunctions. Match the words in A and C with the conjunctions in B. Complete these sentences. Lalit bought some mangoes and made a milkshake. Little Monu is wailing because he hurt his knee. I finished the project on time, but I got the diagrams wrong. I will play with you if you share your toys with me. Manisha was very happy when she was at the library. Vipul watched TV all night, so he is still sleeping. Would you like some juice or a sweet? Use the correct expressions with hand to complete these sentences. Refer to a dictionary for the meanings of the expressions. Changes hand, first hand, helping hand, second hand, out of hand. First one is second hand, second one is first hand, third one is helping hand, fourth one is out of hand, fifth one is changes hands. Here a writing is given, children. Read this email. Read this email, and then what you have to do is you too have to do a work. Your family and your cousins' families go on a holiday every summer. You and your family have made a list of places you would like to visit. Send this list to your cousin by email and ask them for the ideas so that the grown-ups can make arrangements. See, you have to make a column like this, children. I will send the another format including attached with this format so that you can understand how to write or how to send an email, writing it, how the worksheet should be done. Hope you will all do your work neatly. Thank you.